Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable biometric auth with local authentication on iOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable biometric authentication with local authentication on iOS, begin by opening your Xcode project. Make sure your project targets iOS 8.0 or later. Go to your view controller file where you want to implement the biometric authentication. Import the local authentication framework at the top of your file by adding import local authentication. Create an instance of LA context. This instance will manage the authentication process. Next, check if biometric authentication is available on the device. You can do this using the CanEvaluate policy method of the LA context. Specify the policy as LA_policy.deviceOwnerAuthentication with biometrics. Handle the response with a completion block. If biometric authentication is available, proceed to the next step. If it's not available, you can handle the error by displaying an alert to the user. Once you confirm that biometrics are available, call the evaluate policy method. Pass in the policy, a localized reason string, and a completion block to handle the result. In the completion block, check if the authentication was successful. If successful, proceed with your app's functionalities. If authentication failed, handle the error accordingly. You can display a message or take the user to an alternative authentication method. Simulators may not support biometric features properly. Make sure to check the settings on your device to enable Touch ID or Face ID. You should now have a working implementation of biometric authentication using local authentication. Keep your code organized and follow best practices to ensure security. Review your implementation to make sure it behaves as expected in all scenarios. And that's it. You've successfully enabled biometric authentication in your iOS app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.